Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Edivision TV. I'm your host Eddie Gona, and this is a channel where we look at sports differently. Now, we have quite a number of Reggae Boyz playing in the MLS, but what are the salaries like for those Reggae Boyz? In this video, I'll be revealing salaries for Reggae Boyz playing in the MLS. Now, Andre Blake continues to be the highest paid Caribbean MLS player. Reggae Boyz captain and goalkeeper Andre Blake continues to be the highest paid Caribbean MLS player with a base salary of $775,000 US. So again, Reggae Boyz captain and goalkeeper Andre Blake continues to be the highest paid Caribbean MLS player with a base salary of $775,000 and a total compensation of $894,000 US dollars. Well deserved, as the top man, the top goalkeeper in the MLS. Andre Blake well compensated at Philadelphia Union. Now moving on. So as Andre Blake sits at the top of the pay list for Jamaicans, ahead of Corey Burke of the New York Red Bulls, who is currently on $500,000 with a guarantee compensation package of $571,000 US. And folks, all of these figures are in US dollars, not euro, not pounds. We saw the recent move of Corey Burke from Philadelphia Union to New York Red Bull. So definitely more bread, more bag for Corey Burke. Number 3, Kemar Taxi-Lawrence, who is on a base salary of $500,000. And Kemar Lawrence is now doing well at Minnesota FC. So he's no longer with Toronto FC. He's playing his trade with Minnesota FC. So $500,000 base salary for Kemar Taxi-Lawrence. Recently, he returned to the national team with that game in Mexico. So maybe he'll be back in the setup going forward, who knows. So at number 4 we have head of state Damian Nanalo of the Philadelphia Union. $250,000 US base salary for the year. Also new to his team, made the move from Miami and now plays in Philadelphia. So he was traded to the Philadelphia Union this season. Now coming in at number 5, the experienced Alvas Powell of FC Cincinnati, who is on $190,000 per year at that club. And last but not least, the youngster from Vancouver Whitecaps, Javane Brown. Javane is on $140,000 per year with a guarantee compensation package of $153,000. Now you might be wondering who is the highest paid player overall in the MLS. That belongs to Chicago Fire's midfielder Xherdan Shaqiri, who remains as Major League Soccer's highest paid player this season. Shaqiri's base salary is $7.35 million, and with the guarantee compensation package it goes up to $8.1 million. In all, the league's payroll total just under $460 million, up 17% from $394 million at the start of last season. There are 112 players at $1 million or more in total compensation, up from 93 at the start of last season, and 290 players at 500,000 or higher, up from 242. So there you have it. The salaries of our Reggae Boyz in the MLS revealed. Players doing good for themselves, playing well, and are being rewarded. And we like to see this. At the end of the day, getting the bag is very important. We love the sport, players love to play, but you need to be compensated. And these players are being compensated well, and at the end of the day, that's all that matters. This is Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching. Drop those comments in the comment section below, and always remember, like, share, and subscribe.
Hi, I'm Reggae Girl Marlo Sweatman. You're watching Eddie Vision TV. Like, share, and subscribe.